Yeah, so this guy said I should teach you guys how to draw a breaker block. So let's get straight to the chart. Let me do that for you. So first of all, this is how a breaker block entry model structure looks like. You have your order block over here, which gets broken. After your order block gets broken, you get what? A failed pullback or an incomplete pullback, which becomes your structural liquidity or inducement to validate your POE, which is your order block. Once your order block gets broken, that's when it becomes what we call the breaker block. Remember, a breaker block is an order block that has been broken. Do you get it? Price is supposed to touch this order block and come down, but hence price breaks that order block, making that POE what? A breaker block. So then you get your inducement, your original pullback happens, and then price pushes to the upside. Very, very simple for the buy entry model. So let's get straight to the chart. Let me explain that for you guys. And the first thing we need to do is find the bias or the trend of the market. And I told you guys we do that in the higher time frame, which is what? The 1 hour time frame or the 4 hour time frame. In this scenario, I'm in the 4 hour time frame and can see XAUUSD, which is gold spot against the US dollar, has been in an uptrend for a very, very long time now. So we have our trend to be what? An uptrend. You can see that we have our uptrend over here. So let's go to the entry time frame. I'm going to use that, the lower time frame I'm going to use to spot my my POE, which is my breaker block. So I'm going to choose either the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes to spot my breaker block. So let's head on there and see what we have. So in the 5 minutes time frame, we're going to talk about this whole area over here. Yes, I've chosen the 5 minutes time frame as my lower time frame to spot my POE. And over here I can see I have a breaker block over here. I have a breaker block over here. I'm going to explain that in a few minutes. You can see that we had a break of structure over here. Let me explain that. We had a break of structure over here, and then we had a market structure shift over here as well. You can see that, and this was our inducement right over here. Do you get it? So this becomes our order block. This candle becomes our order block. And what can you see? You can see that price rallied above our order block. It violated our order block, making this order block what? To become a breaker block. Do you understand? Once that order block has been violated, it becomes a breaker block. Okay, so now we have our breaker block. You can see price went up a bit, nearly touched our breaker block over here, but failed. So now that failed pullback we have over here, price pullback nearly touched our zone. That becomes what we call our structural liquidity or inducement. So let me mark that out as well. So I've marked that out over here. So all we're going to wait for is what? Our official pullback, our original pullback to happen, which happened over here. And then you can see you get your confirmation, you take your buy to the upside. So let me clear this out and mark out the original entry over here so you guys can see it properly. So coming to the entry on our breaker block, you can see we have the candlestick confirmation over here, which is our morning star candlestick confirmation. You can see that one. Let me use the pointer so you guys can see clearly. We have the first one over here, second candle over here. This is our third candle, morning star candlestick confirmation. So you take your trade at the close of that morning star candlestick confirmation, stop loss below the confirmation like this, risk to reward 1:4. You can see that price goes straight to your take profit. Very, very easy trade, breaker block entry. So guys, this is how to spot and draw out your breaker block, and this is how to properly trade it. So as usual, comment what you want to learn in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to teach you that in the next one I'm going to make. So guys, anticipate my next video. I'm going to be teaching you a lot of free content. For those of you who want to join my Telegram channel as well, don't hesitate to DM me. Send a DM right now. I'll send you the channel link. You paste it in your browser, you have access to my Telegram channel. Let's all learn about the forex industry together. Let's make money, guys. I want to see you there. Peace.